Hi, I'm Pam from the Hooked on Sewing blog. Welcome to my YouTube video. In this video tutorial, I'd like to show you how to shorten a long zipper. You may have a sewing project or pattern that calls for maybe an 8 or 10 inch zipper, but all you have on hand is a 22-inch zipper. Well, there's an easy way to shorten this nylon zipper so you can use it in any project. So long as you have a zipper that is longer than your pattern calls for, we can shorten it and you can use it in your sewing pattern. So let's take a look at how easy this is. Now let's take a look at the supplies that you'll need. Of course, you will need your zipper, a tape measure, a fabric marking pen, some scissors, a needle and thread or your sewing machine and thread, and some pens or clips may also come in handy. The first thing that we're going to do is to measure our zipper. We will start from the top zipper stop. Now if you pull down your zipper, you'll see the little piece up at the top. That is your zipper stop that keeps your zipper from coming off the top of the zipper. So we will measure from the very top of that stop down to where the length that we want our zipper to be. In this case, say we want a 10-inch zipper. So I'm just going to take my fabric marking pen and I'm going to mark on the zipper tape on both sides of the teeth at that 10-inch mark. And I'm going to shorten the zipper from the bottom of the zipper, not from the top. We always want to shorten the zipper from the bottom. So then I'll just take this over to my sewing machine. I'm going to use a wide zigzag stitch. I'll drop my feed dog so that my sewing machine doesn't move forward and pull the zipper through. It's just going to go back and forth across the teeth to make this thread bar, and that will become my new zipper stop for the bottom of the zipper. And then I'll take that off and you can see my new zipper stop that I just sewed. The next thing that we're going to do is to trim off to the right of that zipper stop about a ½ inch, and then your zipper is ready to be used. You would sew your shortened zipper into your project just like you would a zipper that you had not shortened. In the next video tutorial, however, I want to show you how to add these zipper tabs, as you can see in this picture. The zipper tabs help add a nice little finished professional looking touch to your projects. So stay tuned for that video tutorial coming up soon. So that was pretty easy to take a long zipper and shorten it to the size that we needed for our project. In the next video tutorial, I want to show you how to add these zipper tabs to your zipper. Whether you're using a full-size zipper that you're not trimming down to make it smaller, or you have shortened your zipper and you want to add some zipper tabs to it. In either case, these are easy to make, and I will show them to you in my next video tutorial. So be sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified when there are new video tutorials made available. And come visit me over on the Hooked on Sewing blog. Thank you.